In this video, we will look at the new feature of how you can edit your slides in NotebookLM. If you go into an existing notebook where you have created slides, you're going to see a slide presentation. If you go to that specific slide presentation, you can click on that slide presentation. You can then click on the Revise button. That's going to open up the revision screen. And what you're going to notice is that each individual slide has a revision area. And we're noticing that as we click on each slide. The slides can then be edited with a prompt. And so what you can do here is you can take this slide and you can edit it with your specific prompt. Once we enter in the text, what you're going to notice at the bottom is that you're going to see it says pending changes. If we click on this up and down arrow, you'll notice then that all of our pending changes for the individual slides will be here. If we want to clear out those pending changes, we can click on the Clear All button. We can then go to a different slide. And so what we can do here is we can then go to the next slide. And we can change something within the slide. You will notice here that as we make changes, you'll see now that you have pending changes, and we have two sets of pending changes. What you'll also notice is that both of the slides that are being changed are highlighted here in your slide list. And assuming that you then want to skip down to another slide, you can skip down to another slide. Now we are providing as detailed of a statement as we can for each change that we want to make. Once we do that, we can then click on Generate New Deck. And what you'll see then is that NotebookLM will start generating a new slide deck. It will leave the old slide deck in place. We're going to stop the video here. We're going to wait to pick it up from the creation of the new slide deck. And our edited slide deck is now complete. If we want to rename the slide deck, we can go to the ellipsis. We can then rename the slide deck. Now, in order for the change to make, you will need to hit enter, and then that will save the new change. We can now click inside of the new slide deck, and we want to make sure that our new changes have been saved. And we can see our change has been saved in slide 1. We can see that our change has been saved in slide 2. We're going to skip down to the last slide. And as we requested, NotebookLM did remove the image and the words from the bottom right-hand corner. We can now close out of the slide presentation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.